Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of FIGS, FIGS, FIGS Incorporated Consumer Cyclical Sector. Let's get right into it. So we had this going into our pre-market session yesterday in early pre-market hours. We had a video on our plan for these guys for the continuation after Monday's bloodbath. Yesterday was going to be we anticipated a tricky day because everybody wanted to buy that bounce from the sell-off coming out of the negative China real estate news. And, there was a lot of opportunity. A lot of securities did get the bounce. We didn't think everything was, and FIGS was one of them that we thought we were going to continue to see some selling pressure for obvious reasons on a technical standpoint. A number of our securities were hanging around, but they just weren't giving us clean opportunities. FIGS gave us a clean opportunity. We took it, and it worked out perfectly. We ended up scaling in, took a quick, not really too quick, but quicker than normal profit, got right back in a little bit deeper into the session, and ended up continuing that trade. So, you need to understand big picture everything. Whether you're a scalper or a position trader, it doesn't matter. Big picture, not just what you're trading or what you're looking at. The whole market overall, right? Not that everything follows the market, because of course that's not the case. But understand the underlying movements of the market, whether it's industry sector or the whole market as a whole. SPY, obviously everybody's buying the bounce, and it got that bounce, but it didn't, just pretty much traded sideways all day. It just chopped it up, and undecisiveness, right? It's what it is. At the end of the day, when you build a watch list going into pre-market, you're either going to crush them all, you're going to crush one or crush none, or stop out on everything. Always choose the cleanest, and that's what we always talk about. We build a watch list early in the pre-market, chop it down closer to that 9:30, then chop it even further down between 9:30 and 10, because we like that 9:50, 10 a.m. Entry point, and that's what we did. So FIGS was one of the ones that stood out for us, and that's where we got involved. So you always want to kind of have a procedure, a process of how you zone in on the A plus best of the best, 1 to 2 securities. You don't need to be fucking looking at 5, right? I mean, listen, do your thing, whatever works. Just narrow down your focus to get really lasered into particular 1 to 2 names where you can really put some size on. So anyway, let's get into how we trade this thing to the downside. Our the game plan going into pre-market yesterday, but let's talk about how we got in, got out, and all that good stuff. All right, let's get into it.